Earning money through affiliate marketing on Amazon not only opens up income opportunities without significant investment, but also provides a diverse playground with millions of products on this platform. Allowing you flexibility in choosing products to promote, Amazon is not only a popular online shopping destination, but is also known for its high credibility, enhancing conversion rates and revenue from your affiliate transactions. What's special is that this model enables you to work from anywhere with an internet connection, providing convenience while creating stable and sustainable income opportunities over time. However, to succeed in earning money through Amazon affiliate marketing, essential skills and product evaluation knowledge are crucial. In today's video, I will guide you on using artificial intelligence to create excellent product review videos without requiring any prior performance skills. Let's dive in.
Oh my God! Wow!
First and foremost, choose a suitable niche market to explore. You can start with a main niche and then expand into sub-niches to optimize your business opportunities. For example, if you are interested in cooking, you can choose cooking as the main niche and then delve into sub-niches like air fryers. Next, after determining the main and sub-niches, use the search bar to find related products. In my cooking and air fryer example, I would enter the keyword air fryer into the search bar. The results will be diverse and plentiful. Then, I select products with 5-star ratings because positive reviews are often indicators of high quality and customer satisfaction. An example could be a standout air fryer product with numerous positive user reviews. Moving on to the next step, I open the product details and go to the review section to read all user opinions. This helps me gain an overall understanding of the product from those who have used it. After reading and extracting important information from Amazon, I copy the entire product description and reviews into my document. Next, I open Claude AI, where you can use ChatGPT and ask it to generate a product review for a YouTube video. In this review, I highlight the product's pros and cons based on information from Amazon reviews. Finally, I go back to the document, copy the content from Amazon, and paste it into Claude AI to create a quality and informative review for my YouTube video. Now, I have completed a high-quality review for my YouTube video without the need for writing skills. Next, I will record the voiceover for the video, but I won't do it myself. For this task, I will also rely on AI assistants. There are many text-to-speech tools available, and in this video, I will use ElevenLabs IO. Simply click Sign Up, register with your email and password or your Google account. After successful registration, you will get 10,000 characters for free. Choose a suitable voice.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I have not done.
Never mistake motion for action.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
For example, since it's related to cooking, I'll select a female voice named Freya for my video. Then go back to Claude, I copy the entire script and paste it into the text box on ElevenLabs IO. It's that simple.
Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my in-depth review of the Cuisinart air fryer oven after using it extensively for the past few months.
Now I have a high-quality voice, just download it to your device. The next step is to create a video on YouTube. I revisit the product on Amazon and download all the product images. Simply click on See All Photos and all the images will appear. Afterward, you just need to save them to your device. To keep the video engaging for the audience, I need to create an AI spokesperson. I'll use the Hagen tool to generate an AI spokesperson to add liveliness and interest to my video. To get started, visit the Hagen website and create an account by simply clicking on Try Hagen for free. Enter your email and password or use your Google account to sign up. After successfully creating a Hagen account, you'll receive a free credit. Next, choose an avatar and select an avatar template that suits your preferences. Make background color adjustments to create emphasis with a green color. Then, click on Audio Script and upload the audio file you created using ElevenLabs IO. Afterward, click Submit and wait a bit for the system to generate the video for you. When the system completes the video creation, you just need to download it to your device. That's it. You've completed the process of creating an AI spokesperson on Hagen. Now is the time to move on to the video creation step. To make a video with a beautiful background and impressive effects, I'll use Canva. Start by accessing Canva and click on Create a Design, then choose the video option. Next, upload all the images you downloaded from Amazon earlier. Go to the Elements section, search for gray background in the search bar, and select a suitable background video. Duplicate it by using Ctrl+D. Your task now is to adjust the images to match the narration and place the product images into the background video, adjusting their size accordingly. Once done, click Animate and choose a motion style for the images. After completing this, delete the sound file as we already have the AI spokesperson video. Download the video as an MP4 file. The next step is to edit the video to add the AI spokesperson. In this step, I'll use the CapCut software. Import all the videos you just downloaded from Canva and the AI spokesperson video into the software. Insert the background video into video layer 1 and the product video into video layer 2. Next, select the background video with our AI spokesperson character, then choose the video, click on the Cutout tab, select the chroma key, and choose the color picker. Click on the color you want to remove and adjust the strength until you're satisfied. Also, reposition the character as needed. Once the editing is complete, click the Export button to export the final product. Congratulations! Our Amazon product review video is now complete. Play the video.
Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my in-depth review of the Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven after using it extensively for the past few months. I'll cover the pros, the cons, and my overall thoughts on whether it's worth purchasing. Overview. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is a premium quality 6-quart air fryer featuring stainless steel construction and versatile cooking functions beyond just air frying. This countertop oven allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep foods warm with precise temperature control up to 450 degree F. Advantages. First up, the Cuisinart air fryer consistently delivers delicious, crispy, fried foods like fries, wings, shrimp, and more using little to no oil for a healthier cooking option. The spacious 6-quart basket has room to cook larger batches, perfect for families. The digital display and one-touch presets takes the guesswork out of getting perfect results. Users mention how easy it is to get crispy bacon, chicken, steak, and other meats at the max temperature. Another big pro is the design. The interior light lets you monitor cooking, while the large window prevents heat loss when checking food. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket also simplifies cleanup. Other handy features include the Auto Keep Warm, a cooking guide chart with recommended times and temps, rubber feet on the crisper tray to prevent sliding, and a much quieter operation compared to other air fryer brands. Downsides? Potential downsides depend on your needs. The size is quite large and heavy, so it takes up significant counter space. The beeping alerts are loud for those sensitive to sounds. It also doesn't include an air fryer cookbook, which would be useful for beginners. Lastly, while it does a great job crisping up foods, you can't replicate the precise flavor of an open grill flame. Overall, the Cuisinart air fryer is an extremely versatile, high-quality appliance that consistently delivers quick and delicious family-sized meals. It's built to last thanks to the stainless steel design. I find myself using this daily to air fry foods crispy and browned without oil roast veggies, broil fish, and even bake cakes. Considering the premium design and reliable performance, I think the Cuisinart air fryer is well worth the investment. I highly recommend it. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Next, you need a YouTube channel to share your videos. If you're not familiar with creating a professional YouTube channel, check out my guide on how to create a low-fee channel on YouTube. Okay, the next step is the most important deployment to earn income. You need to sign up for an Amazon affiliate marketing account and copy the marketing link for the product. After obtaining the affiliate link, place it in the description of your video. If viewers click on the link to purchase the product, you will receive a commission from Amazon. Look for multiple products in your niche and create many product review videos following the guidance in this video. I believe you can establish a reasonably stable income source. Remember that earning money through affiliate marketing is not a quick process. It requires diligence and persistence over time. Alright, everyone, we've reached the end of the video. Before we part ways, I'd like to hear about your experiences applying artificial intelligence to generate income from Amazon. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you success on your passive income journey with Amazon.